Welcome friends, Pharma Technical Live, Learning, Upgrading and Helping. Today we will touch the topic Data Integrity, ALCOA Plus Principle. Data Integrity is doing the right things first time designed by QBD, doing it every time and especially when no one is watching. A start for attributable. Who has done, when it is done and how it is done should be understood from the data, then only data is said as attributable. So which are the operative SOPs has been followed, STPs, parameters and critical process parameter to get the critical quality attribute should be understood from the data, then data is said attributable. Like Apollo 11 mission 1969, we can identify Apollo 11. It is traceable and its moon landing mission. Data all is available with NASA and US government. Some challenges has been done on the authenticity of data. It is accessible and if it meet to all these three, then it can be considered as attributable. So when 1969, by whom? Neil Armstrong, by using Apollo 11 mission. So these three things, if we access completely from the authentic record, then we can say this data is attributable. Secondly, it should be legible. Legible means it should be readable, and most important is we should able to derive meaning out of it. If it is readable but not in sequential or not able to derive meaning, it is not legible. Like printers, SCADA system, digital record backup, which we use to generate data, should able to produce a legible data. Third one is contemporaneous. Contemporary means of that time, like best of that time. So data should be recorded in sequential timely manner, and when the action has been performed, data should be recorded at that time is called as contemporaneous data, like online entries. The time is a very important factor, should keep in mind while recording the data. Then it should be original, means it should be unaltered, it should be true authentic copy, not smell the manipulation or not fraudulent. It is called as original data. It should be accurate, means error free data. The calculation errors or instrument measurement errors, calibration errors should not be reflected from the data. Measurement system analysis is a very important topic which is used to check the accuracy of the data. So instrument and experimental conditions used to generate data and to evaluate data should be able to give accurate data. So keep close eye on the instruments and measuring system and calculations if you are doing manually, validated Excel sheet to check the accuracy of the data. Then it should be complete. There should not be missing part, and it should be complete in all sense. Start from the what are the experiments, protocol based studies has been performed, result interference, and all the pages should be label and available. Index plays a better role, so data should be complete. Next one is the consistent. Consistent means what has been done yesterday, the same fashion and with the same integrity it has been done today and tomorrow it will be done. So this consistent data means the sequence or procedure is not changed while generating data unless and until it is addressed through the formal change control. So same procedure and same integrity should be reflected in data, then data is called as the consistent data. Like consistent performance of the greatest of all time, Messi, has proved him as a GOAT. The contemporary example of the football legend stand both of principle contemporary and consistent. We can understand out of it. Then data should be enduring. Enduring means durable, long lasting, and can be recalled when required. There are some scripts or stone painting, stone script writing 30 to 35 century BC, means more than 2000 year back. Some texts and some language still available. Like this long duration data is called as enduring data. So data doesn't vanish with time, at least up to the expiry level of the document or the document retention time mentioned as per our SOP. So this is enduring. Then available. Data should be accessible immediately for ready reference as and when required. It should be presented if it is archived in good archive system, a document data control system. It will be available. So these are the some principles of ALCOA required to explain the basic data integrity, which is important in pharmaceutical industry as well as other industries are working very closely to adopt and implement these principles. So what is the significance of ALCOA principle is to first, it is a legal requirement. In any pharmaceutical manufacturing, this principle has to follow up and abide. This is the regulatory rules. Then for any internal or external agency investigation, data only speaks. So this principle help us for the internal external investigations. For more detail on data integrity, computer system validation, PLC validation, I will come with the new videos. So subscribe this channel, keep motivating me. Bye for now. Thanks, keep watching and keep motivating me.